lot of people ask us about vertical blinds on sliding glass doors and large windows. And, lately they've been making a comeback. The last year or two, people have been looking at more vertical blind options because I think there are bigger and larger and more sliding glass doors in homes. Some of the things to watch out for with vertical blinds are that they hang freely. It's against the law to put chains across the bottom of them and big cord, loops on the sides of them and things like that. So they've really changed over time. A vertical blind is no longer connected at the bottom, so you may want to take that into account if you have pets and kids. As far as operating vertical blinds, now they have what's called a traveling wand. So you actually grab a wand and you can tilt it open or closed, but you have to walk the distance of the window with that wand. So if you have kitchen tables in the way, couches in the way, furniture that might be in the way, a vertical blind may not be the best window treatment for you. A lot of people ask us about the tracks on their vertical blinds and if they can be repaired or how you keep them in good working order. Typically, you don't want to oil them or grease them with anything because you don't want that to run out onto the fabric or the pattern that's hanging on the louvers. One of the things that you can do to make ensure that your blinds work properly is to use them on a regular basis. Like anything else that's mechanical, if it sits for too long and isn't exercised or worked properly, it can be very difficult to work over time, and that can cause undue stress or breakage on the blind itself. Repairing them can be easy if some of the louvers fall off. There are little repair kits that you can reattach those louvers with, and sometimes there are companies that sell the carriers that are inside the headrail that if one of them were to go bad, you could replace. But at the end of the day, they're actually a pretty reliable window covering and you should get a good 10 to 20 years out of them. I would suggest that if they break after that time, you might look at replacing them with something new because there are a lot of new innovative styles out there and different ways to open and close them.